What if I told you that a machine can now write stories, solve problems, and even reason, almost like a human? That's not science fiction. That's GPT-5, and it's smarter, faster, and more powerful than anything before it. In this video, we're breaking down how GPT-5 works, in plain English. No jargon, no complicated math, just a clear explanation of how this AI model thinks, learns, and generates human-like responses. Let's dive in. So, what is GPT-5? It's a language model built by OpenAI. Imagine a super advanced autocomplete tool. You type something in, and it predicts what comes next. But GPT-5 doesn't just guess words. It understands context, tone, and even meaning. It was trained on billions of words, books, websites, code, and conversations. It's a digital brain filled with information about almost everything. But how does it learn? GPT-5 utilizes a transformer, a type of deep learning system. Here's a simple way to understand it. Imagine reading millions of books and trying to guess the next word each time. Like this: the cat sat on the... Your brain says, mat. GPT-5 does something similar, but on a massive scale. It identifies patterns, predicts future outcomes, and adjusts itself when it's incorrect. That's how it improves. So what makes GPT-5 better than GPT-4? First, smarter memory. It can hold longer conversations and stay on topic. Second, better accuracy. It makes fewer mistakes and gives more precise answers. Third, it's multimodal. That means it can understand not just text, but images, code, and even sound. And finally, it's safer. OpenAI added guardrails to reduce bias and harmful output. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a reasoning engine. GPT-5 is already helping people write, code, learn, and build amazing things. But it also raises big questions. Will AI outgrow us? And how do we make sure we use it wisely? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if this made things clearer, give it a like and subscribe for more simple AI breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you next time on AI Explained Simply.